Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're going to do something a little different than what I usually post. So just yesterday I finished installing a custom 3-inch exhaust on my SL55, and I haven't had the opportunity to show my sister what the car sounds like. So today I'm going to go pick her up from school in front of everyone. I'm going to start the car up, see if I can try to get her a little embarrassed, and see what her reaction is. So stay tuned for that. Obviously I'm gonna have to put the top down for maximum attention, so let's get that going. All right, let's rock and roll. So damn loud. It's so loud. The car is so loud. But honestly, as loud as it is, it's kind of like, you know, you gotta limit yourself. You know, I can't drive crazy. I have to drive respectfully. The more respectful I am driving, the less attention I am getting. And if I have to rip it, I will rip it, and I will enjoy the rip. Alright, that's the school bell. My sister should be coming out any second now. She just texted me, asked me if I'm here. So, yep, I am here. Just wait for her to come. Okay, I see her. I see her. Oh, she wants me to put the top up, but she said put the top down. Top's already down. I'm not putting the top up. The top's staying down. You need to hear her with the top down. Just get in the car.
It's so embarrassing. Can you move your keys? Oh my god.
Are you ready?
Oh my god, Tommy! So embarrassing. Can you just go home? Oh my god!
Thank you!
Tammy, this is the school area! Tammy! It sounds so bad. Like
it sounds hella good.
Like there's something in it.
It's just normal. Ooh. It sounds good. Sounds like a real American muscle. You're so lucky, like nobody's here.
Are you doing that on purpose?
No, that's just how it is.
It sounds so congested. I don't like it.
It's raspy. That's called raspy.
Oh, I don't like it.
All right.
No, it sounds so. That sounds so.
That's all you get.
I didn't know you were one of those people that like to annoy the entire neighborhood.
Well, I'm just doing it for you. So what do you think?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why is it too loud for
Every time I
you?
hear it, and it's like really loud, like I'm fine with loud sounds, but this one, it like triggers me. Like it's always the car.
Like that?
No. When you like go.
Do you want to actually like hear it? Hear me
No.
put it under? Yeah, well you have to hear it.
Now I'm gonna know when you're home. I don't like it. It sounds better like this.
Quiet?
Yes.
See how I can drive it quietly? And nobody knows I'm driving? But then when I give it a little bit of gas...
Is it gonna sound like this on the freeway?
I actually don't know the answer to that. I can drive it and it'll be quiet. If I drive it, if I drive it respectfully, I can keep it tame, the noise tame. But it's pretty hard to do it, and I'm on comfort mode too. Just imagine if I was on sport mode.
Where are you going?
I want to show you what it sounds like
It's
under
like
load.
you're a deli factor.
I want to go there. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No. Can you just go?
Nope.
Oh, no.
Traction control
I'm
on.
gonna die. I'm gonna My hair. If I was in that car, I would have thought I would die.
So what do you think? Huh?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
You want me to be honest? I don't like it. It smells so bad too.
That's the that's because I don't have any cats on it.
Will that affect it?
It'll just make it smell.
Keep looking.
Nope. All right.
Everyone's staring at you, but not in a good way. I just know like a majority of these kids are either judging you or
They
like
hate
bowing
it.
you.
No, they all hate it.
I know.
They all hate it, which is great. As long as like I was able to embarrass you. You feel embarrassed, Crystal?
Can we just go home?